Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm John. Thanks for stopping in and checking out my content. I appreciate the visit and I hope you enjoy it. So today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to install the Moto Skill center rack. This is the center rack I chose. I settled on it. There's several different versions. I thought this one looked the best, and really what I wanted to use it for was to have a place for my 3-year-old who I ride with in front of me. So he sits on the front of the seat, and he was kind of putting his feet on the plastic covering at first, and I didn't want him to scratch it all up. So I wanted a rack for him to put his feet. And after a lot of research on really only the 2 websites that I saw that have these sort of things, Bees Deals and Webike, I settled on the Moto Skill. I thought it looked the best. It wasn't overdone, and it was what it was. It looked good. So we ordered that from Japan, and it got here real fast, and nice looking product. So basically here's how we put this product on, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a review video on this accessory and the rest of them too. So I'll link to that up top here whenever that's ready, and you can check that out to get my opinion on how it worked.